back to my channel Mini Teaching. So today we are going to learn letter Q. So first we are going to learn capital letter Q. So first we are going to learn circle. Then we can draw a slanting line through the Q. Now I'll show it one more time. I'm going to draw one more time. One circle, then one slanting line. This is capital letter Q. Now I'm going to write it one more time, okay? First we are going to draw a circle. Now we are going to draw a slanting line. This is our capital letter Q. Now I am going to teach you small letter Q. So first we are going to draw a circle. Okay? Then we will go down. Okay? Then we will go draw slanting line. This is small letter Q. So I am going to draw it one more time. So first we are going to draw a circle, then a slanting line. It will maybe look like 9, number 9. Then we will go to slanting line. This is small letter Q. Now I'm going to write it one more time. First we are going to write 9. Then I'm going to write from slanting line. This is, now we are going to learn small letter Q. First we are going to write a circle, then a standing line, then a slanting line. This is small letter Q. Now I am going to write it one more time. First we are going to write a circle, then a standing line, then a slanting line. This is small letter Q. Now I am going to write it one more time. One circle, a standing line, and one slanting line. This is small letter Q. Now we are going to write the two letters together. First I am going to write our capital letter Q. Now I am going to write the small letter Q. Okay? So let's see some pictures that start with letter Q. Q for queen. Q for quenelle. Now I'm going to tell you the sound of letter Q. So now I'm going to teach you the sign of letter Q. This is the sign of letter Q. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and let's see you next video. So bye.